You might have heard the sound of the Big Bang, but you just didn't realize it. Well, after 380,000 of Big Bang, the universe got cold enough for life to travel freely, and that light still exists. We call it microwave cosmic background, and actually that light, small part of that light is actually used to convert into temperature graph, and then that temperature graph was actually converted into a real audio. And what you are just hearing right now is the same audio. It's not some explosion or something, it's just that the universe is being transparent, it's sharing its own noise with us. Well, if you like more videos like this, follow Cosmic Snapshot and hit that like button.